Buonasera, paisani. Welcome to episode 51 of Big Mamas Gather, searching for hope. Yes, I'm early tonight. Instead of 7:30, instead of 8 o'clock, I'm doing it at 7:30, just because there's the hockey game tonight at 8 o'clock. The Habs versus the Lightning or the Thunder Bay Lightning or whatever they're called. I'm not into sports. Trust me. I've only been watching them lately because we have the TV at the store. So I'm coming on live. It's gonna be a short and sweet one tonight, guys. I just want to always give you encouragement, always give you positive thoughts, positive vibes, and just tell you that whatever you're going through, you'll get through it. Life throws a lot of curveballs at us, but you know what? It's because it reminds us how far we've come and how much more we can handle. So don't lose hope and just hang in there. It'll pass, and somehow, some way, you'll find a solution. Also, things are getting a lot better here in Montreal with the COVID situation. More and more people are out and about. There's no curfew. The masks are starting to get removed for all the people who are vaccinated. So it's all good news. Tomorrow it's Canada Day, but it's also a day to remember our Indian how do you call them? Our Indian neighbors, or the natives, those that have lost family members, children, relatives, because of the transition of Canada becoming a country and all that. It's very political. I don't want to get into it, but I just want to say that we do support them. We do know the big sacrifice that they did to give up their land, and for us immigrants, because we're all immigrants, we all don't belong here. It's not our land. So for us to come in and share the land with them. So just a thought to all the natives tomorrow. Even though it's Canada Day, we're celebrating the Constitution of the Canadian provinces getting together. We also want to show some support and give a thought to the natives who lost so much and who are still fighting for their rights and their freedoms. So guys, besides that, I just want to thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for coming on. Hi Jack. I've had an overwhelming amount of support and visits, very happy, pleasant visits from so many people. So many that, to be honest, I was surprised that those people actually took the time to come and visit me at my new ice cream shop. It's very successful, so far so good. Knock on wood. I hope to continue. I hope to keep growing and continue the business. I really enjoy seeing people I know, and even recurring faces of the neighborhood, of people that pass by and come have an ice cream. So we have a terrace now. So come and enjoy our terrace by having an ice cream. You could also watch the games. We play the hockey games. We play the soccer games. We have gazebo shade thingies. I don't know what you call them. Tonight I'm really lost for words. But we have the gazebos, the foldable gazebos that we take out so that you can have shade, and if it's raining, well, you won't get wet, or at least you try not to get wet. But our terrace is open for everyone and anyone that wants to come have an ice cream. You can enjoy the game. Come meet your friends, come meet your family, just take a night out. Come see us. We welcome everyone with open arms. And of course, our service is for you to enjoy your experience, enjoy your outing, and we give the utmost respect and service to all our clients. We respect everyone. We welcome everyone. So I hope to see you all real soon. And on that note, I just want to say, go Habs, go! They took a licking on the last game on Monday. They lost 5-1, but there's still hope. It was only game 1 of 7. So let's hope tonight to do a better performance. Friday, 3 p.m., Italy versus Belgium. Please come and enjoy the game outside on our terrace at Kremlin Memorable, 3171 Fleury East. We are here all week from 1 to 11 to serve you, to give you a well experience, a wonderful gelato from Pierino. It's a wonderful, wonderful gelato experience. We have the cremoso. We have soft serve ice cream. We also have the containers of 500 milliliters as well as the 1 liter for you to bring home and enjoy at your convenience. We also have the tartufos. Tartufos, we have chocolate and pistachio. So they're all there for you to enjoy, for you to take home. And of course, last but not least, we have popsicles, not popsicles, but popsicles for your furry little baby. So we have popsicles for dogs that we sell, so that your dogs can enjoy a nice cool treat as well. There's no milk, it's just water based and fruit flavored with real fruit, courtesy of Poppy Pot Treats. So support local. That's what I'm doing. Even within my own business, I always want to and try to support local. And to see all of you come out and visit and support me and support the locals as well is very heartwarming. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you being part of my audience. I appreciate you supporting me with my posts and liking them and telling me that they're useful. And it gives me that drive, that motivation, and that positive vibe from all my viewers to continue doing what I'm doing. And what am I doing? I'm trying to spread as much positivity as possible. I'm trying to give strength to everyone that needs it, and hope. Most of all, hope, because we all need hope. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed, we feel broken, we feel helpless, but you have to find hope. The hope to succeed, the hope to, have the confidence that you will get through it, and the hope that things will get better, because they will. So if you stay positive and you keep a positive mindset, it will happen for you. Jack says, and you're doing a very, very good job. Always keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Jack. I'm still waiting for that limo ride. So whenever you're ready, whenever you're free, come on by, and I'll gladly take a limo drive in your beautiful limos. You have wonderful limos. So Jack Mollet works for a limo company. I don't remember what it is, but if you guys need limousines for your events, because weddings are starting up a little, please give him a call. Contact Mollet Jack on Instagram. He'll hook you up with a beautiful car for your event. Jack says, we've been going crazy, but don't worry, I'll be there with that limo. Thank you, Jack. I really appreciate it. So guys, yes, weddings are starting again. I'm so happy to be back into that vibe of celebrating love and unity within two people. I did 2 of them last weekend. I have another one. I have basically one every weekend till October. And it's just so wonderful to read their story, how they got together, what lit their flame, and what keeps the flame burning. So it's nice to be back into that that vibe of things. So if you're getting married, or you're planning to get married, or you want to get married, you're in Quebec, because you have to be in Quebec. I'm only I'm only legal in Quebec. Contact me and I'll take care of all the paperwork. I'll take care of personalizing your ceremony. You have one less worry to deal with. So it will be always my pleasure to marry 2 people in love. Homemade by Kathy. Hi, Kathy. She says, your humor and outlook on life is inspiring. Well, thank you so much, Kathy. The reason why it is that way is because I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot in my life. And, just today I was thinking, I said, wow, my family has a history of a long life. I mean, my grandmother died at 98. Her cousin died at 99. And my dad's second cousin died at, listen to this, 104. 104. So I'm thinking to myself, I'm 46. Damn, I got a long road ahead. So, yeah, I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, but I'm going to have a lot of stories to tell. And, I'm looking forward to it. Whatever life may bring, joy or sadness or obstacles, I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the fight. I'm ready to enjoy it. I'm ready for the laughter. Jack says, that's why your name is Big Mama, because you're a strong woman. Thank you, Jack. Kathy says, can't wait to see you at GMS again. Yes, that will be not this September, but next September, because my step-granddaughter will be attending Joe McShane. And of course, I will be volunteering. So I'll be a very present person at the school to give out my help, whatever I can do for the school. And also to show my granddaughter that I'm involved in her life, in her school, her activities. Just to make school life happier and create beautiful memories that she'll keep with her forever. So guys, I know I've taken up a little bit of your time. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's 20 to 8. I don't want to take up too much time because I know a lot of you are excited about the game. And I don't want it to keep you away from your game, from watching your game. And I also want to watch it. So there you go. So guys, I came on to do my live, to touch base, to say hello, to thank you, most of all, to thank you for all your comments, for all your beautiful words. They're very heartwarming. And I guess the way I don't realize how I'm helping others, you guys are helping me by commenting and by, by encouraging me and keeping my motivation there. Because sometimes, I mean, I have to be honest, I'm human. Yeah, I want to quit sometimes. I want to give it up. And then I get a comment that just turns my whole aspect around and says, no, you got to keep doing it because people are benefiting. People find what I do useful. So that's why I continue. And I've had my hands full between the ice cream shop and the weddings. I've been quite busy, but I always try to find the time to come live, to speak with my audience, to speak with my followers, my viewers. And I really appreciate that you guys take the time to watch me, interact with me like Jack and Kathy have done. And it's always nice to see people that come on and have something to say. So again, I'm going to retract a little to last week. Last week, I told my story of my traumatic experience, not because I want pity, but because I want people to find hope and find a reason to keep going. Because a lot of us can go through whatever traumatic experience it may be, whether it be health, mental, family problems, issues. But I just want everyone to know that there's hope. And if you have hope, you'll come out of it stronger than you ever thought you were. Because the strength is in you. You just have to bring it out. And so that's why I told my story. I told my story because I want people to find strength. I want people to dig deep inside themselves and find the power to move on and say, okay, today was a bad day, but doesn't mean tomorrow will be. So tomorrow will be a better day. And you have to look at everything with a positive aspect, with a positive attitude. So don't look at the glass as half empty, but look at it as half full. Oh my God, I'm getting so many comments. Okay, let's go back up. Okay, lots of emojis from Jack. Thank you, Jack. Who else? Lisa Married D77 says, beautiful, genuine lady. Thank you very much. John Papilla. Hi, John. Simply Franny. Hey, so lovely to see you after a long day at work. Okay, nice. Jack says you have hope and everything, especially when you have family and friends behind you to support you. Yes, we do. So guys, if you connect with a family member, if you connect with a friend, keep them close, appreciate them. Let them know how much they are valued to you. Let them know how much you appreciate them being in your life. And, it's comforting to know that you have a shoulder to cry on or just someone to sit with and say nothing. Sometimes the best thing you can say is nothing. So just the fact that they know that you're there, it'll give them that hope, that strength, that confidence, comfort. I mean, so many words can describe what a person can do to you. So please be there for someone, or, if you have someone that can be there for you, reach out to them. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel shy. We're all imperfect. We're all mortal. We all make mistakes, and we're all going through our own crap. Let's be honest. Every pot has its ladle, and the ladle knows what's going on in the pot. But it's nice to share it and hear yourself say what you're going through, just so that you can underline what you're going through, what you're feeling, and perhaps that person has something to say to give you advice or to support you or to encourage you. But sometimes they don't have to say anything. Hi, Melissa. Hi. So guys, hi, Jackie Cutrona. Hi, everyone. I really appreciate you guys coming on. It's always a pleasure. This is why I do what I do. The comments, the interaction, the fact that I'm getting confirmation that what I'm doing is bringing positive results, that what I'm doing is affecting others in a positive way. This is my drive. This is why I do what I do. And like I said, there's many times I want to give up. There's many times I say, oh, forget it. I don't feel like it. But then I say, no, somebody out there needs to hear me. Somebody out there needs to hear that there's hope. Somebody out there needs to hear those words. And it's directed to you, the audience. How you want to take it, you take it. But I mean, best word is the one not said. Yes, Kathy. Oh boy. You know how many times I've bitten my tongue? But sometimes you need those words of comfort from a stranger, a friend, a family member, just anyone that can, just put that switch on to say, okay, I'm gonna fight it. I'm gonna get through this. It's gonna be okay. And the most comforting words that I tell myself and that I tell a lot of people is, if you're going through it, it's because you can handle it. Because God doesn't give you more than you can handle. So whatever you're going through, you can handle it. You got it. You just have to figure out how to get out of it, but you got this. Because if you wouldn't be able to deal with it, it wouldn't be happening to you. It'll happen to someone else. Melissa, just to let you know that we have got more COVID cases in Australia. Oh, dear Lord. I'm so sad for that. I'm really sorry for you guys in Australia. I heard it on the news that Australia wasn't doing well. So, guys, if you can take just a moment and say a prayer for Australia, throw in those good vibes, positive vibes, that Australia will get better and that they can go back to a normality that they remember. Even if you don't know the people, it doesn't matter. We're all human. People are people. So let's pray. Let's pray for Australia to get better and that the cases go down, and that they can come out of this just as well as the rest of the world. So 3D Pache, how are you? Buonasera, Bella. 3D Pache, we have to meet. She's all the way in Hamilton. I'm in Montreal, but I do plan to go visit her as soon as I can drive down to Toronto. I really want to meet this wonderful, wonderful young lady. We've talked so many times, and again, this is why I do what I do. She appreciates my posts. She tells me that they help her and everyone else. Domenica, hi Domenica. 3D Pacha says, dying to meet you. It'll be my pleasure. And you know what? I think we're going to have to make a day of it, because we're going to have a lot to talk about, a lot to laugh about. And of course, we're going to get to know each other. And we've connected already, and we're going to connect even more in person. So 3D Pache, un bacione a te. Hi, Domenica. So guys, I'm going to keep it short. Like I said, the Habs are playing tonight, and I don't want to take you away from the game. So I want to thank you all, of course, as always, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being part of my live audience. Thank you for joining me week after week for the past 52 weeks for Big Mamas Gather live on Instagram, searching for hope. And again, I want to encourage you. I want to put it out there. I want to encourage you. If you've been through a traumatic experience, no matter what it is, it could be mental health, it could be anxiety, it could be depression, it could be a separation of a marriage, a separation of a friendship, it could be a physical trauma, such as a disease, an accident, something that just really traumatized you and that you got over it, or you're having trouble getting over it. I would love to have you on and discuss it with everyone in the audience, because your story can help someone else. Your story can give hope and strength to someone else, and you won't even know it. So guys, this is why I encourage you. Please send me a personal message. Send me a DM. If you want to be on Big Mamas Gather Searching for Hope at the next episode, we'll work it out. I'll book you in, and it'll be my pleasure to listen to you. But also, remember that your story can be someone else's strength, someone else's power to go through whatever they're going through. I mean, if you have MS, if you have Lou Gehrig's disease, if you're dealing with cancer, it's things that can affect any one of us at any given time. So if you want to, tell your story just to show people that, there's hope. I've gone through it. I've came out of it. I fought it. What were your ways of fighting it? How did you stay positive? This is going to help a lot of people. So this is why I do what I do. There's so many messages. Okay, hold on. Grazie bella, un bacione. Melissa says, me too, dying to meet you when I come to Canada. Oh, Melissa, I would love to meet you. We've connected also on a different level, and it's always a pleasure to meet people that I speak to on Instagram and Facebook. Jack says, you are important, not the game. Yes, Jack, I know, but I want to see the game too. Dolce Ann, guys, if you need a gift basket, graduation basket, bonbonnières, any occasion, Dolce Ann is the place to go. She's on Jarry, right next door to Du Boucher à la Table. It's Jarry between La Cordère and L'Angelier. It's a little mini mall. You can't miss her. Dolce Ann, she's got exquisite gifts at reasonable prices, and te fa fare figura. So guys, go see Anna at Dolce Anna Inc. She's telling me, see you soon. I will come see you for a gelato. Keep sending in positive vibes to everyone. I do, Anna. Thank you so much. Anna is a sweetheart. And please support her. Go see her. If you have an occasion, you want to give someone a gift, she can make you a basket. She has baskets made. She's got all kinds of gift ideas for men, for women, for children, for graduation. She's got it all. And you know, I want everyone to support local, and she's one of the locals that I encourage as well. So guys, you will not be disappointed with what you get from her because she puts her heart in it, and it's a small local business. We got to support them. So Kathy, bacione, si, ciao. Dolcean says thank you. Guys, I don't want to keep you much longer. It's been almost 15-20 minutes. Game is going to be on in 8 minutes. Go Habs, go. Come back next week, next Wednesday, or maybe I'll do it on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. I might change the day because the middle of the week is kind of hectic. But maybe Monday or Tuesday, I will be posting it. You'll be aware of it. Guys, I want to thank you so much. Please stay positive. Stay safe. Keep a positive mindset. You got this. You're strong enough to get through it. I love you all. Thank you very much for being my live audience every week. And join me next week for another Big Mamas Gather live on Instagram. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto! Salutamu everybody! Mwah, un bacione a tutti. I love you guys. Ciao ciao!